Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the street commissioner, they show us another Obaseki project. This one are Edo Tech. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Enjoy the video.
Yes, my people, now good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Apostle Alfred Ojo Uyinosa. This is the Edo Tech Park. And I don't hear of this place. I see the picture everywhere, but I said, no, I will need to come physically to see waiting the ground. My brother, waiting that I see here, not be Photoshop, not be video editing. Kudos to the state government, Governor Godwin Obaseki. When they get the interest of the youth for heart, they build administration for the youth. This tech park, now we have to train students, to train youth on to get mindset on technology. When it be said, when you get 2 for year, you feel going to electronics, you feel going to computer, you feel you begin to do everything through technology. Why? Because if you check China, now technology, now they drive the system. If you check India, now technology. If you check Dubai, now technology. So Governor Obaseki, they try to change our mindset of let's sell the land, let's collect money, ticket, or agberoism. They try to change the narrative. That's why I did for Tech Park this afternoon to give an update of the Tech Park. Guys, let's go. Make we see something. My brother, how you see this place?
This place is it's wonderful.
If you know, do you know that this road is tight? Governor Obaseki enter this road. Right from Airport Road. Oh yeah, let's go. Look at see, this is Tech Park. This is the Tech Park built and commissioned by Governor Godwin Obaseki. We not believe in propaganda, but we believe in bringing out the truth. The Edo people must get the right information. This is the information we dey see for here. This is the Tech Park where the governor built to train our youth to be more like, so train them in they get this technology mindset to creative. All those our guys where they use computer, they cheap money, yahoo. You don't need it. All you need to come to Tech Park where they go train you how to use technology. Take create brand for yourself and you fit enter into a marketing strategy. This is the time we must begin to change the narrative. My people want to see the Tech Park. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. When I see the building built by Governor Obaseki and nobody there aware. Nobody knows that this country they exist. Now not say me talking about bien, I go continue to support waiting they good and to promote the good work of Governor Godwin Obaseki. Yes, I am the street commissioner. Apostle Noyase Alfred Ojo Uyinosa. Let us go. Wow. Ross, this place, man. Mona Gonski. Not this morning. Students don't get here already.
So why we did this Tech Park, you don't talk about, you don't talk many. In short, they tell me this kind of thing
The thing is passing you.
This one I just found you. We go inside. Go inside, we reach inside.
You go shock.
Say yes. Governor Godwin Obaseki. He knew where for those states. So those poems that they try pen town.
Upside down. They say for 5 years, not do anything.
Not do anything. Even from this place, from Airport Road,
to time reach here.
they drive, they come just like about over 5 kilometers. It's time to locate
This place.
When
It comes down for village.
Situate this kind of thing here. I think it deserve a good.
God bless the governor. Edo Joe, Igweshi campus. Welcome to Edo Tech Park. Take off campus. So now this is just the beginning. It's commissioned to the 10th of November 2021 by His Excellency Mr. Godwin Nogegase Etua Bishop Baseki, Executive Governor Baseki of Edo State. Let's go.
Wow. Yes.
Need the reception. Wow. You mean awareness happen here?
Awareness happens. Awesomeness happens. Also,
Let me have the color awareness. So.
now actually also.
Okay, you know what song. You know
Also-
saying awareness. Okay. What kind of work song is happening here?
So we do everything.
Like what?
Particularly training software developers.
Wow.
Uh,
Hey, talk and speak as I want to
Training software developers.
Training software. Oh God, what do you want to develop?
Anything and everything.
Anything that will make the state great.
Exactly. So software solutions that can revolutionize the state essentially.
Wow.
In every single area, whether it's fintech, whether it's agri-tech, insurance tech,
Wow.
infrastructure,
Mechanic
tech and everything.
tech.
We're doing it right here. We're preparing every state for the next generation.
Preparing Edo State for the next generation.
Definitely.
Changing the negative narrative about agboroism and land selling. God bless you, my brother.
That's the idea.
Okay. Take us around.
Okay, so
Because
this is our lobby, obviously. This is being managed by Decagon Expressly.
okay.
We have classrooms for all of our students.
Okay.
Wow.
Wait. I know go ask again. No, yes, yes, no. Yeah, so get the computer.
This is everybody has a
Okay, we got a laptop.
yeah, so personal laptop.
With
The projectors, so when you're having classes, so that you can actually connect with persons who are not here.
Now, determination, they make Okada
They overtake
overtake
trailer
trailer for road.
we are overtaking trailer.
Yeah.
Yeah, my brother, how are you doing?
So, bros, how you don't dey enjoy this place? Your levels. Toby.
Why you come here?
Why you come here?
I actually have passion for software engineering.
Okay, passion for software engineering.
Talk out so that make people when we see that they watch.
People dey watch
People they
you.
watch.
I actually have passion for software engineering. I've been into ATM engineering before, so
Okay.
during my course of performing my duty as an ATM engineer, so I got attracted to software, the software that they use to run the machines.
Okay.
I actually went deep into reading about how to build software. So I got opportunity. That was when I got opportunity to play Dragon.
So since when you don't come here, now what you don't benefit?
A lot.
This kind do John no vessel. That God will bless you. This kind tech park. It did for Nigeria before. It did. It be day. But it not come day again.
No day again.
So now the government come back again. They come start from the
Come
door.
back again. Exactly.
Oh Jesus.
When people move from that
My
place.
brother, I dey come. I dey know. You get some question wey you go answer. Bros, make we dey go. Wait.
So take us to another.
Okay.
I mean, the same thing.
They are similar.
One.
Okay.
Wait on.
Another class.
Another question.
Yeah.
I must come out in a row here. Come. I must. Good afternoon. I think I must come in a row here.
Yeah. Let's say this person won't go out again.
I know Guaso. So you mean all they do here is to train people on software?
Software engineering, particularly we focus on specific engineering stacks.
Okay.
.NET, that's C#.
Okay.
We also have Android development. So for those who use the Android phone,
Yes.
the
Like
applications,
me.
exactly the applications they have on your phone.
Yes.
We're teaching people how to build those applications. They've learned it already.
To build that application.
From any single application you have in mind.
So we may need to build Apostle Alfred app for me.
If you want it,
I want it now.
yeah.
I will pay, not free.
No,
I hear that. Apostle Alfred
yeah.
app.
There are people who can run it for
Good,
you, right?
no, tell me the price.
No,
Well, how are you doing?
Well,
You are so truly here.
yeah, sure, okay.
Why did you choose to come here?
Software engineering is a field. It's actually the next.
Why did you not travel to abroad?
Like, this company is doing it well. They've had products and they're doing very well out there.
So
They're ending the life, so
So there's no point to go out there.
there's no point.
And there's like it to follow.
Everything I need to actually succeed in the programming field.
Jesus.
so let's take our sister's interview.
Everything.
I know.
Wait, internet 24/7. I am coming here. That's what a man can do, a lady can do.
So, sister, what's good afternoon.
Eh,
This is one of us.
This is very, very long.
Mind blowing.
Mind blowing. Fact. But you don't benefit if you don't come in.
Yeah, I've been able to get opportunities outside here, different internship, and I'm able to also learn how to code. Because before coming here, I don't even know how to code, but now I
Cool,
see
you
that
don't even
I'm
understand
able
that. You don't even understand
The
that.
Igbo struggle.
I need to
Yeah, but she that way. The Igbo strong.
I mean, it's strong. That cool. If you download, if you break and down for people want to see.
Break her.
Down. So
Speak
I need
pidgin
to
English.
understand.
Okay, just like for them to be able to write different code to create application that people be able to use. This is what people be able to use.
So you know just
And they say make you talk people they hear you.
create application. Man.
Yes.
So you'll be creating application for Patrick Enemy.
Yes.
Wow. Let me see. But we need to come back.
I need to come
We
back.
need to come back.
Eh,
Thank you very much.
thank you. What's your name?
Next.
Agnes. Meanwhile, those ones are doing slave queen now, but you are here to go. I'm coming. I'll buy you coke. You take coke.
Yes.
I'll buy you one coke. Wow. Senior. Okay, you're not called that too. Man, nobody should do anything satisfied. No, say, talking as you need.
Wait, sorry.
Wow.
That women's
Beautiful. That one's for women. And more go for men outside. Wait, you mean all these children, they are here for, they're going to be here for many months?
They've been here for 4 months now.
And they're going to spend how many months?
The idea is to spend 6 months.
6 months.
Yeah, the training is 4 months of learning
Okay, 4 months.
and then 2 months of
So what shall be this internship?
these are past engineers that we've trained.
Wow.
This was in Lagos.
Okay, that was in Lagos.
Now we moved down here. So
To Benin.
exactly.
To Edo State. Or Horomi Quarter. Big government is not for wait for it. Wait for it. And it's so much for this side.
This is still another classroom. Just classroom over here. But it's right.
I mean, all night. Wait. Wait, so this is another classroom.
Yeah. This classroom is for the Python stack.
Eh?
Python. I mean, you're like that Python.
What's the people that design Python?
Now one of the programming languages.
Yeah.
So,
But
the
also
name
they
is
say Python for you.
No, we know they say Python.
Yeah, this one they say Python.
Just for computer.
Wow.
If you go down here, our students they play football over here. Wow, they are getting ready to play now. These are living quarters. These are rooms for
And they have water dispenser everywhere.
yeah. Make personal.
How many students are getting for this?
105
105 students.
right now, and they're all residents in there. All the rooms have internet connection, light and all.
All the rooms have internet
So
connection.
whether they want to come to the classroom to work or they want to stay in
So how they do they call the job?
the soup for
You
them.
must they still provide food for them.
You can pay and do for class. Wow. Go to you cannot get your food.
Wait, all these one are hostels now.
Yeah, their rooms, exactly.
And we're fishing one of them. Then one student say one come see a room. But tell us say I want to see a room. So I make you arrange a room well. How are you, brother? I love what I'm saying. How are you, brother? Good afternoon. Hello, people. The truth be say, Obaseki government no be for not for everybody. Both for the Agbero, both for the ticket, both for those selling land. Why? Because we want to change the negative narrative. Who no go school yesterday go fit go school today. Who they call ticket yesterday go fit still write better thing today. Who they do Agbero job go fit still work for office. And it get the thing for us to get to this level, we need to change our mindset. I talk something today, my brother. I said I don't finally discover say no be politicians are our problem. Now we the masses now be the problem because of some of the things when I discover. Now say when politicians want to come for campaign, you collect money. You don't be shouting at money now. So by the time they give you the money, you don't come out. So even if you shout him tomorrow, money when they give you, you must collect it back.
You say don't buy a person.
You don't buy it. So
So no, when we move to
let me move on to my brother. This will not be Photoshop, but this is live.
live,
Bro. So I put my software. Apostle Alfred asked. Wow. Wow. Wow.
This one takes 18%.
18.
Yeah, 18.
When Nigeria they do for you,
Nigeria.
I'll come to you now. They get your number too. I don't woman I can't see. I don't woman I can't look. You see that bathroom? Fine. Check the way fine. You see? Yeah. Wow.
They have internet connection.
They have internet connection.
Lights, the standards, steady.
ACJ fan the blow. Light the 24 hours.
Yep.
And this country there is Benin, nobody know. Well, bros, make we dey go. Make we dey go. I want to know. Bros, how are you? My name is Apostle Alfred.
My name is Tiazam.
Speak,
My name is Tiazam.
speak pidgin English so our people hear well. Look camera. I know say you want form. Speak pidgin English. Yeah.
Okay, my name is Nachiazam.
My name na Chiazam. You be Igbo.
Abipo.
You be why you come here?
From Abia State.
From Abia. Wait, you come up from? You come Benin. How are you, my brother?
I'm very fine.
What you dey do for here?
I'm a Python developer.
Like, which kind of Python?
Python, Martin.
Okay, all those, not be real
No
Python.
be the real one. No be the real
Okay, computer
Yeah,
Python.
Python is a programming language. So
Okay, Python na programming language.
What did they produce?
language where they use write program, where they use design software, you know. For example, you visit website. So you type the website
The address and the rest.
The address, yes, fine. Then you see something and you interact with the website and everything. So all those things you are seeing.
Okay, na Python.
So not basically Python. Python is one of the tools, one of the
Okay.
languages
Okay.
used in doing them.
Wow.
That's
So-
like,
Like
So
you
which
don't
means
learn.
I should not come here now. What you don't learn?
plenty.
Plenty.
Plenty is not. Look, we say videos they talk one.
Not to
one.
you
They
be
are
the
just-
producer.
they are just-
Let me say, by the time you go up here, you become the chairman. You say the chairman have arrived
Not just Abia, not just.
Okay,
Nigeria,
the whole
like,
world.
We want to contribute to the whole
to the society.
society. Yes.
God bless you.
Thank
My
you.
name is Apostle Alfred.
Yeah.
You know, say we like good thing and we'll continue to dey show good thing. Not be when they say they keep person, people dey hear am. But the good thing, they will recover them. Our duty now to open up the good things, to suppress the bad one.
Not the
Yes,
negative.
Not the negative.
This place is if there's anything perfect place to start.
Perfect place
when
to
it
start.
comes to, software development.
So how you want, those are our boys feeling that side because me I know say some of our people they use phone till they scam and the rest, G-boy. You know, you go take good for them to come this kind of place, make they change their narrative. So I mean they don't use computer the chief again, but
Computer
today
na to develop
to
themselves.
develop.
Yeah, it makes sense.
It makes sense.
I advise everybody.
May they come.
So that if you have a passion to come and you can work hard to achieve it.
But I see computer for this computer is already internet connected.
Yes, it's connected. I can say just about writing code.
Okay, just the writing code. It be like Greek and Hebrew. Okay, we know the Hebrew class. Well done, bro.
Thank you.
Bro, how far now? You know, how are you now? What will be your name? Chinedu. Ah, this one is Chinaza. This one is Chinedu. My name is Apostle Alfred.
Okay.
We dey like good thing, so we dey promote good thing. You know, say no society where crime not dey, but they fit manage and they talk about the good things. Why you na student here?
Yeah.
Wetin make you come here?
I can't learn tech. Actually, I did do software developer.
Okay.
Software developer, but
Okay.
I need mentorship.
Okay.
I have to do big app.
Do big app
Exactly.
to take control the world.
At least so that at least for Nigeria here, so that instead of going to Yahoo, we can do something we deal like this.
Wow. Wow. Wait. So which means this kind of tech park, you know, did the whole of Nigeria before.
No, the one we did before, Andela, but they stopped to the take.
Where they did?
Lagos.
They did Lagos?
Yeah, they stopped to the take people who want to be.
Oh,
But
okay.
this one give you opportunity to.
When we say we never have been now,
Yeah,
start from school.
exactly.
So that means we need to give up Basse Ketiri Boza.
Boza.
Boza. Why? Because he believe in the humble beginning. Thank you, my brother. I beg, study well, oh. Study well. Make everybody dey proud. Bros, where we go waka go now? No. And I see the center. Yeah, let's go. Edo people, this is Tech Park. Let's go. Please find you. You mean after training these students will become resourceful in our society?
That's the plan. That's the plan. Some of them are already
They are only any salary.
already in salary. They're working for foreign companies. Some are working for local companies.
Wait, as they are here now, they're already working for foreign companies.
Some day we don't need work for foreign companies.
So now I need to come work for me. Sharp.
We will pay that.
They're free before. Mo check this out. They're free before. See, anything when I know go fit pay for, I go put that. Anything when I go fit buy, I know they get food. I mean, that's why they say, hey bro, carry me. You can fit pay my transport fare. Yeah, let's go.
So, if you have that
No.
if you have a class,
Bro, how are you there? My name is Apostle Alfred. So. No, I find pastor, no good.
so say about that classrooms, like it's just the same idea.
Wow. Afternoon, bros. Afternoon. How far? My name is Apostle Alfred.
Joseph.
Brother Joseph. Joseph.
Yeah.
Okay, brother Joseph. Are you Igbo, Bini Yoruba?
I'm Igbo.
Igbo. Bini people should take advantage of me. Hold my hand. Bro, how are you doing?
Regan.
Regan. Listen.
Igbo.
Our Bini people must wake up.
Bro.
Bro. What's up?
Bro.
Bruno. Oh, I'm sorry. My name is Apostle Alfred.
My name is Ike.
Brother Ike. Igbo. Nigeria. I'm a Nigerian too. Thank you. I appreciate. Thank you for coming to this environment, and I hope you're enjoying it. Wow. I'm seeing my brother here.
Yes, sir.
Igbo.
I'm Daniel.
Daniel.
Yes, I went to Uniben.
You went to Uniben. Go there in Nigeria. Where are you in Nigeria? So why are you here, bro?
Yeah.
Why are you here? Where did you come here?
I wanted to because I wanted to be a software engineer.
You wanted to be a
Yeah,
software.
so now
Now you are now a software engineer because of this platform. Wow. My brother. So today, I must call a rope. Bros, I will come. When I come build my software for me on my app, come. I tell you, when I come build my app, Apostle Alfred app. Now hold on. I like this. Another classroom. When they quit, and maybe go outside. We'll just do small building. Now hold on. Are you not a Nigerian? I am not Nigerian. I know you now. No, wow.
I'm not hearing the idea is to integrate their talk shop.
Okay, talk shop there.
And so, you know, the students there, they live inside now. So
Yes.
they won't buy like shawarma or say they want make movies or something.
Not there.
And at the end
They
of
don't
the-
start now.
They never start. We just complete them not too long ago, so it's not in commission yet. But you know, seen as this part of town, we know they inside town, so many of them travel.
They go outside. So every way they find inside.
They will get on here.
Then I still hosted
Now housing for staff.
for staff.
You know, say the staff now made it teach to students. You know, we go say
Then they come from
they
town.
come from town,
So they just stay here.
and they live inside here.
Wait. I don't understand. So now it be like, as I want to call, and this park say anything they want to go find for outside, the inside.
You dey inside. You don't get reason to come out. Like ideally, if you stay here like 6 4 months straight, you don't need to go outside to go out. Like
Wait,
no,
if you're there for 1 year, you don't know what you
no,
don't go outside.
You feel no know. You feel no know.
So even if they say, hey, you don't even
No
know.
concern you. Because
My brother,
your life inside
My
here
brother,
is
I beg, come. Carry this camera like this. I want me to see that building. Make my book.
So we never even start to use that.
Okay, never even start to use that one now.
So we hope say one will get more students.
You know,
So space today inside. That's
Space
the
today.
So space.
Wait,
today
I want to ask one question. How many Benin people there?
I know sabi the number, but they're fully there inside. But they
They
never plenty.
They never plenty. Because
another thing I want to
Space
ask you,
today for them.
what it take person to dey here?
what's it gonna take me to come? Me.
For you now,
Yeah.
this determination guys the first of all.
Okay.
Right?
You have passion.
But I don't marry you. I don't marry. I can't leave my wife.
We get married. One of our person in media,
Wait.
na mama she get 4 children. Also.
Wait, I can't leave my wife and children. Can't stay here.
If you know what they find,
I don't call leave my wife.
You feel they come out now. Maybe weekend if you go house.
Okay, weekend I'll.
But still, I just say if you know what you find.
I know
that
what it
period
will take me to
must-
take come.
What thing will take you?
Yeah.
So you don't go university. You got in your first degree. You've done NYSC.
Yes.
Then you take the assessment and we give.
Okay.
If you pass the assessment.
I go pass.
Why not say now university? What the person go protect him?
HND too. Okay, so HND.
What about who
BS.
get the long College of Education come?
If you reason that later.
Okay, who
What
know
of
your
ND?
go
What of ND?
school?
National diploma.
That HND now they look.
Okay, HND and BSc.
Okay, between who know who go school, know you get hope to come here. No, we'll change the program.
If the person go pay,
Okay, go pay. I go pay.
no wala. So the reason why we talk HND and BSc, this whole you don't say everything.
I don't see, I'm not be here.
So I'm saying no cheap.
You know they cheap, you know
so
they cheap.
Edo State now they sponsor loan for Edo State indigents.
Oh,
Right.
wait. Edo State government now,
They
they
don't
sponsor
sponsor
loan
loan.
for Edo
State
State
indigents.
indigents.
So that made the fit come
Yeah.
here.
If you come here, right? So
And they
once
never
people-
come.
when they come out,
Oh,
like the plan I
God.
say after they graduate, they'll come start to make their own money back. And if you come pay back the loan,
Oh, God.
Edo State government they guarantee them, right? But for
Oh,
other for person may not come from Edo State.
Yes.
But them just guarantee
I
their
go
own
fit
loan
ask
by
one
themselves.
thing. You will know how much they pay.
It's above 3 million
Wow, for a year.
For the whole program.
For the whole program.
For the whole
For
program.
everything, your laptop, feeding,
Everything
internet,
dey
light,
inside.
Everything is included.
My brother,
Yeah.
God go bless you.
Amen.
You know, say we like better thing,
That's all.
and we will continue to dey promote better thing.
Definitely.
I did
Go
very
there,
touched.
go do the live.
Yeah, more go there. Because they don't show the PD. People beauty plenty for inside though. We just have like don't dey pay me. See shoe. We not see shoe when I wear. I like don't dey pay me. God bless the perspective of ourselves. My people, on a very serious note, my brother talk short when he shocked me. But you know so that he shocked me. You talk short when he think he shocked me. Say the governor don't give facility for loan to Edo youth, Edo youth.
Like he has guaranteed it already.
And he don't guarantee them.
Don't guarantee that.
Edo people, I will need that beg una man. Now I don't say, I will need that beg una. My people, I don't say no, they had me. Edo youth, I even go beg una. Governor Godwin Obaseki, una don't hear now. He don't pull loan. Like to say grant for Edo people who want come here youth. Make una come. See, I don't think I even go beg una. Make una leave those dirty work. Show opportunity for all of us. Make una come. Like me now, na because say, other me I for come here, but you never late. I will come. Edo wala wo. Let us take advantage of this. We don't think get this shit for our own house. We go see they complain. Well, God knows that that way I need that from my heart. I know they carry the talk. My brother Peter, Pastor, what do you want to talk for this matter?
Well, I did here with Tokan, as you see.
I told him I said, be.
Come. I even today I come from Igwe.
Okay,
And I say, no, when you come, you say, make we gather, come here. You can say, wait for me, we'll gather. Come here, come see. What we dey see for television, whether na true.
we not true. You can see the picture.
To see, because when government dey say, I want a new generation in Edo State, a new generation. When we say people will begin to do wetin others, wetin dem dey do for other place, for other country. You no need to even travel out before. When we do some interview, some students just now.
Yes.
When they begin to tell us, I hold my head. Which kind of program can be this one when we never see again for the history of Edo State and Nigeria?
Think I clean and sweat.
Well, we thank the governor, we thank Governor Obaseki for bringing this thing. And also using this opportunity to appeal to our youth in Edo State to seize this opportunity and take this advantage of this opportunity to become a human being and a great I want to really talk a great person.
Not the political talks.
Not the political talks, not the social media talks. So make una use this opportunity to make sure say we so that the best thing we want will fit appreciate governor for this thing. One thing we never the only way when we fit appreciate governor for this thing Now, when Edo people
Begin to
benefit from this thing,
and you don't create the platform.
yes, that is the only way we can say thank you. Because words of mouth not reach to say
My
thank you.
governor, thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
If nobody say thank you, me, Apostle Alfred, the man we ordain you bishop, you know me. I want to say thank you. Number one, I am not jobless. I'm not looking for job. I'm not looking for appointment because we are far, far bigger than that.
If they give me, I will take it. Make it
Okay, okay, they give you a take.
I will take.
Okay, but I give me, I will take. Talk about to me. On a very serious note, I am not being sponsored by anybody.
Yes, that is one thing.
I am not
Nobody
on
is
anybody payroll, but I enjoy doing this. My brothers and sisters out there, all the social media influencers, whatever you call yourself, I beg, use your platform to promote what will make Edo great again. Make we know they use our platform till they pull each other down. No. Constructive criticism is allowed. But when your criticism against the governor is born out of hatred, that's witchcraft. So I beg, make una let go of witchcraft. So people say, bro, so people say for 5 years, governor not doing it for this state too.
This one day,
And this one there. They say no do anything.
And even the worst is say from airport road.
They come in, they tie the road.
Tie the road. Even this one pass, this one see enter this one.
They tie the compound. My people say they don't see anything. Why? Other people, please, those of us who believe on the administration of Governor Obaseki, we will never relent. We go support them to the end. In our time, Governor Obaseki will succeed, no will fail. And we know we'll join anybody to cause chaos. Make I tell you, there can never be meaningful development in Edo State if there is no peace. Tell friend truth, you know the spoil friend. What is not good is bad. Community where good people for keep quiet. Armed robber will become general overseer. No low or low. Emaya fed or low. Better pikin, he know they play forget house. Now only bastard go play, he go forget house. Let's come together to make Edo great. Yes, I'm life director at the Edo Tech Park. I am happy to bring this broadcast live to every one of us. Please make we join together. Let's continue to pray and support. This is my brother from Esan. People say work when they go on for Esan land. When they tell me some work when they go on, I say don't worry. I will come there. I will come, bro. You understand?
The Ujoba, Ebele, Ubua road, that road one bad. When during campaign, governor come, he say if you within 1 year,
he will done.
He will start the road. And they don't start the road. And when they come just now, they don't start the base.
They don't start the base.
Yes.
Bro, I will come there. I will go shut down the
They don't
court
start
as I
the
come.
base.
I'll see where park put.
So, huh?
I want to shut down the
Why
court.
not?
I'll see where land
You
put.
also be a land put.
All right. I hope they know
Actually, if they don't do that road now, that university, that private university when they did, Samadogo guy university,
Okay.
people will still assess that.
Right. Yeah, my brother, I want to say thank you. God bless you. My name is Apostle Alfred Ojo Uyinosa. The only man with the talk as they be, the drum as they be, the shwan as they be. Let's join together to make Edo great again. God bless you and have a blessed day. Thank you.
Cheers.
I beg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.